Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram folder not showing in file manage on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to found Telegram app or looking for Telegram app here in this window, and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come to this is window. We will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will just click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage. We will go up, we will click here in up, then we will just click here on clear local, and you just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.